Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these LED lights that are changing. These are 450 lumens, 2700K, warm white, 5 watt, 12 colors. Alright, so today we have received our LED lights. These ones here are a pack of 4. You could change the light colors. It does come with a 2-pack of remote controls. So it does offer a 4 count as well as a 10 count. So this one here is a 4 count. They do offer 2 remote controls with them, so you can change the color however you like. These are 5 watts. Very super nice. These are a 270-degree light bulb, anytime atmosphere setting. 12 top favorite colors in the flash smooth modes. So this one here has 12 colors to choose from, 3 levels of brightness to adjust. It provides enough various light effects to fulfill different environment needs. It is equivalent to 100% brightness of a 40-watt incandescent. It has 450 lumens, 85 CRI, which is a super high display. So right now I'm just going to put it in an E12 lighting. So these are E12 lights, so which basically means the end of them are a lot smaller. It is not your standard light bulb. They are very tiny at the bottom. So right here we do have the remote control. It does have a little sticker in here from the battery, so it doesn't waste the battery. So you have the choice to choose the colors. You can have it randomly set where it changes the colors. It does fast mode, slow mode. You do have a timer on this. So right now we do have it on, so we are going to change the color. This one right here, it actually changed by itself, and then we have the one below that one which goes a little bit slower. So this one you can see that it's red, blue, green, orange, yellow. So then this one right here actually makes it go a little bit slower, so it kind of fades in and out. So now we want to change our colors. We just click on each one of these colors and you can change it. There's the blue color, you've got green, red, you have like an orange, a teal, a blue, another teal or blue, and you got orange, red, and then you also have purple and pink. So there's the pink, the other one's a purple, and there's the yellow. And then the very one right here at the end, that one is the regular white light. You can see that this one is super bright. It is really, really bright, as my camera is having trouble focusing it because it's super bright. But you do have the options to put this on a timer if you like. You can make it brighter, you can lower the intensity of the brightness. The best thing I like about this is it does give you 12 different colors to choose from. You can use the remote control to change the colors. You can use the flash mode. They've got a smooth mode. You got timer, daily cycle, turning on and off. You can dim up or dim down. I like the fact that it does have all these colors to choose from, especially around the holidays. If you want it to flash for different colors for especially like Christmas, it does give you the option. You do get 4 in a pack. You can also choose the 10-pack, which you get 10 different lights. I like these. If you're looking for a nice bulbs that offer you different colors, I'd highly recommend checking these bulbs out.